Excuse the dryer behind me. This little doggy. This little doggy. So we're gonna clean the drip pans today, and they're kind of rusty and gross and nasty, and I guess it's been like this for quite some time. First I want to show that these do come out. First gotta take them out. They're just like plugs, right? They plug in. So you just lift it and pull. See where there's a hole there? If you lift it, pull, comes right out. Lift and pull. Okay. This is the state of my daughter's wells. Now, I think it was like this when she moved in. Yeah, I don't think this is her. But they are old and they are rusted. And you don't want to really paint them because you have no idea if it'll hold up to the heat and everything. And also we may be able to clean them. If you want to buy new ones, they're about $16 on Amazon. I'll put a link for that. And they come in different colors, so you can buy them in like black, and that might cover some of the stains and stuff. But this is the color right here that we're going to try to get it back to using oven cleaner and steel. Let me show how I set this up first. Okay, this is where we're at now. Two important things. Wear gloves. This stuff is killer. It has a lemon scent. This stuff is, I hate it. I usually would do this at night, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then in the morning do the rinse and the cleaning. Hoping with the steel wool I'll be able to get this rust out. The other thing I do is I put it in these bags because I found that they drip a lot. If you don't want to clean the oven today as well, you need to put them in bags. This also keeps a lot of the smell and toxic fumes in. And you just, it foams. Ooh, my eyes are already on fire. Hold your breath, make sure there's no doggies around. Good Lord. Alright. I got this bigger bag that I put them all in. And this is going in the oven. To bake. Just kidding. Not funny. Don't turn the oven on. Yeah. It's just gonna be in the oven tonight. This should probably be sprayed as well. I'm gonna spray it. Another thing I know my daughter doesn't, so I'm just gonna show, is that this lifts up. You got little things like that, and you can then get crumbs and stuff like that fall in under there. I'm gonna spray the top. I'm gonna clean under there, and then her stovetop will be clean. It's not that bad. See, she's not a sloppy cook. This is over a year. She doesn't spill a lot. All right, everything's done. I'm gonna let this sit for the night. Tomorrow, we're gonna scrub it off, and she'll have a clean oven, clean. So freshness, so clean. Probably just wipe off because I soaked it overnight, but you never know. See? Look at that. Nice.
assume you're gonna put voiceover over this?
Yeah. I do talk, but then I just to give myself hints of what to say.
Like here you would say,
Shoot! It's not gonna work. It's rusted through.
so it's not dirty, it's rusty.
Yeah, but sometimes you can clean the rust off.
If you just peel it off with your nails.
But no, look at the. Yeah, they should have really. Because it's only aluminum. See that? You can get that off. See that?
Wait.
Yeah. Because normally I would have done that. You see?
So now recording again after taking 3 fingers of Mom discovering whether it's not dirt, it is rust, and you can't get it off. Oh wait, now it's starting to come in.
I said it was, well, this one. This is the heavy duty one. Sometimes you could put it on again. See, this is rust too, but
It's coming off.
that's why I went to Home Depot to get that steel wool.
And that's it.
Oh, yeah, that too.
Look. Take that out. Take it out. Take all this out.
It's gonna look,
Take it out.
it's gonna look better.
Take it out. Take that out. Look at this. Check this out. Ooh. Hi.
To me, if you can get the rim nice,
Bye.
you're ahead of the game. Alright. So some of them are nice. Some of them not so much. But it is a lot better than it was. And it's like $16.